750 ml versus 2 liters. 25 holes versus 1 hole. Same liquid, different pressure. Nature versus human. A race to make the water run out first. Let's see who does it. I've tuned down the pace again, and this time for real, it's a competition. It's really wide, and I have to be consistent on my squeezing force, because if I don't do it, I'm gonna lose it. That's how it is. Y'all can see how fast it's going, and I'm trying my level best, but I believe now it's really tough for me to win this one. Like, look at it, the pace of that guy. Well, I just can't rest. I have to be consistent. Come on. Woo. Oh, my hands hurt now. My grip force is hurting. Woo. 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 Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's really halfway down. It's really halfway down, and I'm not even close to my half. Woo, my hands hurt for real. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Go down, go down. Yeah, this is a better grip. I believe I can be consistent for a longer duration here. Yeah, come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Come on. Woo-hoo. Yeah, it is demanding. Here I am. Oh my god. Not even close to half. Come on, you better be running, bro. You better be running. Got tired. Yeah, somewhat close to half. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. My hands are done, bro. My hands are done. My grip is done. My fingers are sore now. I don't know how am I gonna complete this. Come on. Go faster. It has gone past its half on the little one, and I am on my half, I believe. Yeah, come on, brother. Come on. Let's go once and for all. Let's finish this. All right, I have a chance. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, come on, brother. Let's go. Full force. I hope I win this one, because I really want to win this one. I know it's tough, but that's what the point is. To have some challenging and creative tasks getting filmed for you guys. Oh. Woo, come on, brother. Come on, come on, come on, come on. So close, so close. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. God, give me your divine strength. I want to win this one. Woo. Come on, God. Give him some supernatural boost to me so that I can win this one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Almost, almost, almost. Come on, brother. Come on. There we go. What the heck? Alright, can't help this one. Because I just need to empty this.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Yeah. It was such a cardio, guys. It was such a cardio. You can try it out for yourself. I won't recommend though, because it involves a lot of strength your brute strength and your endurance at the same moment.
Yeah. Can't get any more out of this, and yeah, it's finished. It's finished. I won. I won. It's official. You saw it. I won. The goal was to get this thing emptied before the water level reaches the bottom hole, but it only crossed the first hole. So yeah, I won. I hope you enjoyed it.